Hey, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we've got a showdown between two robot vacuums that promise to make your life easier. On the left, we have the Roborock Q7 Max Plus, and on the right, the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner. So which one's going to sweep you off your feet? Let's dive in and find out. First up, let's talk about the moolah. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus comes in at a hefty $869, making it quite an investment. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC is priced at a much more wallet-friendly $299. Reviewers appreciate that the ROPVACNIC offers great value for its price, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious buyers. Next up, let's talk about suction power. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus boasts a massive 4,200 pascals suction power, which reviewers say is excellent for deep cleaning. The ROPVACNIC isn't far behind with a 4,000 pascal suction, which is still impressive and highly praised by users for its effectiveness on various surfaces. Both are strong contenders, but Roborock takes the lead in sheer power. Now, let's get into the brains behind the brawn. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus uses PresaSense LiDAR navigation, creating precise maps of your home. Reviewers love the accurate mapping and efficient cleaning it provides. The ROPVACNIC offers comprehensive, intelligent control with multiple cleaning modes that you can control via your smartphone or voice commands. Its high-coverage sensing system is praised for its user-friendly interface and smart capabilities. Both are technologically advanced, but Roborock's mapping is a standout feature. Let's not forget mopping. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus can vacuum and mop at the same time, with 30 water flow levels. Reviewers find this multifunctionality very convenient. The ROPVACNIC also has a 2-in-1 mopping and vacuuming system with a 4-stage personalized water adjustment. However, some users note that its mopping is more suitable for light stains. Both have their merits, but Roborock offers more versatility. Pet owners, listen up. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus has an all-rubber brush that resists hair tangles. Reviewers appreciate this feature for handling pet hair efficiently. The ROPVACNIC also flaunts an exclusive no-entanglement design and dual rotating electric side brushes, which users find effective for pet hair removal. Both excel in this category, but ROPVACNIC's design might give it a slight edge in ease of maintenance. Last but not least, battery life. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus boasts an impressive 180 minutes of runtime, which reviewers highlight as excellent for large areas. The ROPVACNIC doesn't specify its exact runtime, but with its self-recharge feature, it ensures continuous cleaning. Users appreciate its long battery life and smart charging capabilities. Both offer great battery performance, but Roborock's specified runtime is a clear winner. In summary, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus is praised for its powerful suction, precise navigation, and versatile mopping capabilities, making it a top choice for those willing to invest. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner is lauded for its affordability, strong performance, and user-friendly features, offering great value for money. So there you have it, folks. Both the Roborock Q7 Max Plus and the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner have their strengths and quirks. If you're looking for high-end features and don't mind splurging, the Roborock is your go-to. But if you're budget-conscious and still want a solid performance, ROPVACNIC is a fantastic choice. Remember, at Buy Smart, we make sure you spend your money wisely. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it smart, keep it fun, and keep it clean.